This is the command which you have to run, apt update. So this will be the first command everyone should run after installing the Kali Linux. Okay. Now repository updated. So now you can clear this screen using clear command. Now after the second step, which second tool is? The second tool is how to install Python. You need to install Python, latest Python inside your Kali Linux machine. Now the command is apt install Python 3. Okay, we are going to install Python 3. So you have to learn how to install Python 3 inside your system. So just press then Y and it will install the Python latest version inside your Kali Linux machine. After installing Python, we are going to learn you have to install one more software with this Python 3 pip. Okay, so Python alone is not enough. So many applications they required this application Python 3 pip. So you have to install this application also. Okay, done. Now your main task has been done. Now the third step, we have a network monitoring tool, or you can say system monitoring tool. The name of that tool is nmon. So you can install that application apt install nmon. So you can see, just enter and done. So this will install nmon tool inside your system. Now if you want to use this tool, you just have to run the command nmon simply and press enter. Once you run this command, you will see and you are able to see the output. So right now I am going to zoom out, little bit zoom out or zoom reset, so that you can see clearly. Okay, now clearly you can see here all the details here. If you can see, if you type C, it will show you CPU related information. If you want to see the memory related information, press M. If you want to see disk related information, press D. So C for CPU, M for memory, D for disk, R for resource and K for kernel. Okay, very simple. Now I am going to show you CPU related information. So press C. So it will show you your CPU uses, how much of your CPU uses right now. If you want to see memory related information, just press M. M for memory. So it will show your RAM information, RAM related information, your physical RAM as well as your virtual RAM. If you want to see disk related information, press D. Okay, and here it is. You can see the disk related information. You can see the list of partition, which are busy and which are not busy, how many space available, read write speed, all those things. So in this way you can use nmon tool to see your system information. Now once you have seen, you are okay with this, you can press Q to quit. Okay, just press Q to quit. After this we have another tool. Now let me zoom it again. That tool is very handy tool, just used for creating logo sometimes. Okay, sometimes thumbnail or logo. That is Cause. Apt install Cause. So once you install this application, I will show you how to use this application. Application installed. Now let's see how to use Cause. Suppose Cause/root.in. So it will print /root.in logo in a stylish way. You can see that cow is saying /root.in. So that's why the name is cow and say. So read it twice. So cow is saying /root.in. So it will create a logo, something logo, stylish logo like this. You can take a snapshot and you can crop the image and you can use it. Okay. Similarly, like this, we have another tool that is known as Figlet. So let's see how to install Figlet. Apt install Figlet. Press enter. Done. That tool has been already installed. Now how to use this tool? Just type Figlet. Suppose you just type Satish and here it is. You can see the name of the Satish has been printed in this way. If you type Figlet facebook.com, so you can see facebook.com in this way. So you can create a stylish text using Figlet. Similarly, there is another tool that is known as C-Matrix. So clear this screen. Up install C-Matrix. This tool will install the matrix environment on your system. Once you run this command C-Matrix, it will run matrix on your system. You can see the matrix look. Okay, so this is not useful one. Actually, this is not useful. This is just for fun. So if C-Matrix is just for fun, if you want to use it for a fun or a emulating something, you can show it. Okay. Press Ctrl C and done. It will be stopped. Now we have another tool that is SL. How to install SL? Up install SL. So it will show you slow motion railway. Okay, so how to just type SL and here it is. You can see a running train. Okay, in slow motion. So the simply SL command is used to use this purpose, just for showing some little bit animation, not more useful in real life. Okay, there is no importance in real life of this tool. Now the most important tool that is very important for every Kali Linux user, that will be Terminator. How to use that tool? Up install Terminator. Up install Terminator. Press Y to install. Okay, this tool has been installed. Once installed, you can exit from here. And how you can find that tool? you can go at the top right, and here you can search terminator, and here you can find the terminator at the top. Okay, so you can right click and you can add it to favorite or add to desktop, so that terminator will be added to your desktop. Now you just click here, open, and the terminator will open. It will look something like this. It is also a terminal, but this terminal is very useful. If you right click here and split horizontally, click on split horizontally, you can see now we have two terminal. One is upper side and another is downside. Similarly, click here and click split vertically, so you can see we have three terminal. Now go to the lower one, the downside terminal, and right click there and split vertically. Now you can see we have four terminals here. It means at a time we can do 4 tasks on our terminal, on our desktop environment. Okay, so in the first terminal I am going to run the command C matrix, so it's running the matrix. On the second terminal, at the same time you can run another command like SL. Okay, and the third terminal you can simply run the fourth command, and the fourth terminal you can simply run another command like suppose /u.in. Okay, on the fourth one you can also run some command like free-m to check the memory. So you can say we are using all these 4 terminals at a time. So if you need a 4 terminals or more than 4 terminals, you can use this terminator software. This is used to terminate, or you can see break the terminals according to your requirement, and you can use it. Okay,